Today we are talking about something every English learner struggles with, and that is how to study English without losing focus, because so many people tell me that they want to learn, they want to improve, they want to build confidence, but their mind jumps from one thing to another and they cannot stay with English for even a few minutes. So in this episode, I want to guide you step by step in slow, easy English to help you understand why focus is hard and how you can train your mind to. Stay calm, clear, and ready to learn, and we will also learn beginner-friendly vocabulary with very simple meanings. So let us begin by understanding the word focus, which means to keep your eyes and your mind on one activity without letting other thoughts distract you, and distraction is another important word. It means anything that pulls your attention away, like your phone notifications, noise around you, stress in your brain, or even your own thoughts telling you to check something else. The truth is, everyone gets distracted, even native speakers, even teachers, even professionals. But the magic is learning how to gently bring your attention back to English again and again, without stress, without guilt, and without saying, I am bad at concentrating, because you are not bad. You just need a method that fits your mind. So the first tip is to make your English practice small and simple. Instead of studying for 1 long hour, try only 5 or 10 minutes and make these minutes vary clear. For example, say to yourself, I am only listening now, or I am only reading now, or I am only learning new words now. When your goal is small, your brain relaxes and gives better focus. This is called micro-learning and is very powerful for beginners and adults, because the brain likes small wins more than big pressure now. Let us learn. Another helpful word, routine, which means something you do regularly, like a habit. When you create a small English routine, your brain starts to expect English at the same time every day, and focus becomes easier. You can choose morning practice or evening practice, or even a short break during the day. The time does not matter. What matters is doing it consistently. Another good vocabulary word is repeat, which means to do something again. When you repeat a small practice every day, your brain learns faster and your focusing ability grows stronger like a muscle. Now let us talk about the environment around you, because your surroundings also affect your focus. Try to choose a quiet corner, even if it is small. Even if it is only for 5 minutes, sit comfortably, put your phone on silent, and take 1 deep breath. This tells your brain, I am here, I am calm, I am ready to learn, and you will see that your attention improves instantly. Now, here's another simple technique that helps people concentrate better. Choose one English activity that matches your energy. For example, if you feel tired, choose listening, because listening requires less effort. If you feel active, choose speaking or reading. If you feel curious, choose vocabulary learning. When you work with your energy, not against it, your focus becomes naturally stronger. Now, let us add some easy vocabulary. Calm means peaceful, and relaxed. Improve means to get better. Practice means to do something again so you can learn it clearly. Goal means the thing you want to achieve. Shadow means to listen and repeat at the same time. All these words help you think like a learner who understands how attention works. Now, I want to share a friendly idea with you. Your brain is not your enemy. Your brain wants to help you, but it needs gentle training. So every day, talk to your brain like a teacher. Say, let us study for 5 minutes, and then we will rest, and your brain will agree, because it knows you are not forcing it too hard. And when you do this every day, your focus grows, and studying English becomes easier, smoother, and more enjoyable. Another important thing is to remove pressure from your learning. Many people lose focus because they are scared of mistakes, scared of grammar, or scared that they are not good enough. But fear kills concentration. So instead of thinking I must be perfect, think I am learning step by step. This creates a free feeling inside your mind, and concentration grows naturally. Now, I will teach you another simple but powerful trick. It is called single tasking, It means do only one English activity at a time. Do not listen and read at the same time. Do not check your phone while practicing. Do not think about your to-do list, just be present with English, and your mind will slowly build the power to stay with one task. This is one of the best habits for beginners. Now let us learn some more vocabulary. Present means happening right now. Attention means the mental energy you give to something. Progress means improvement over time. Steady means regular and balanced. So when you give steady attention to English, even for a short time, every day your progress becomes faster and your focus becomes stronger, and you start to enjoy learning without stress. Many learners ask me, why is slow English important? And the answer is simple, because slow English gives your brain time to understand the meaning, and when your brain understands, it feels confident, and when it feels confident, it stays focused longer. When English is too fast, your brain gets tired, and tired minds lose focus. So always begin with slow, clear English, and later you can move to faster levels. Now, I want to guide you through a short concentration exercise. Take one deep breath, relax your shoulders, and listen. Let your mind be. Here, no rush, no pressure. Now, repeat inside your mind. I can focus for a few minutes. I understand more when English is slow. I can improve step by step. I am building a new habit. I am doing a good job. These simple sentences help your brain settle down and stay present. Now let us talk about real life, because many learners say, I am busy, I do not have time. But learning English does not need a big block of time. You can learn during small moments. For example, while drinking tea, while cooking, while walking, while waiting in line, even while doing housework. Just listen to simple English and your brain will stay connected to the language naturally. Another powerful method is to link English to something you enjoy. For example, if you love movies, then watch a short clip with subtitles. If you love music, then learn slow English lyrics. If you love stories, listen to short beginner audio stories. This way your brain feels pleasure, and pleasure increases concentration, because your mind loves what it enjoys. Finally, remember that focus is not something you are born with. It is something you grow, and you are growing right now. You are learning how to guide your brain calmly, how to choose small goals, how to relax, and how to keep your attention steady. And every day you are improving. So keep practicing, keep breathing, keep believing, and your English will grow beautifully with a focused and confident mind.